Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you considering switching from gas or radiant electric to induction? In this video, I'll share this video versus my 2017 video, conventional versus induction cooking, portable versus stove or cooktop, compatible cookware, cookware flatness, burner versus cookware size, and induction health risks. My 2017 Introduction to Induction Cooking video was based on using a portable 120 volt countertop unit. In November 2023, I replaced my gas cooktop with an induction cooktop. Since my 2017 video is one of my most watched videos, I decided to update it. Based on my experience using a 240 volt induction cooktop. Conventional cooking relies on heat transferred from burner to cookware. Wood fires were the first source of heat. Next, clean burning gas replaced wood. Gas cooking uses thermal conduction when the flame contacts the cookware, and radiation when it does not. Radiant electric burners are an alternative to gas. A metal coil is heated to red hot. Exposed coils conduct heat from coil to cookware and air. For glass ceramic cooktops, heat radiates from heating element to glass and conducts from glass to cookware. Induction cooking also uses a glass ceramic surface, but no heat is produced. Instead of a red-hot metal coil, induction uses a copper coil to generate electromagnetic energy. Microwave ovens use microwaves to stimulate water molecules, producing friction and heat. Induction's electromagnetic field produces eddy currents to heat magnetic cookware. Heat is transferred from cookware to food and cookware to glass surface. Induction cooking is about 20% more efficient than radiant electric and 80% versus natural gas. Buying an inexpensive, portable induction burner lets you try induction cooking before investing in a stove or cooktop. Induction stoves and cooktops cost more than gas and radiant electric. Portable cooktops are limited in size and power. US versions are 120 volts AC and up to 1800 watts. Most homes have 15 and 20 amp circuits, with 20 amps used in bathrooms and kitchens. An 1800 watt cooktop requires a maximum of 15 amps. Using other appliances on the same 15 amp circuit can trip the circuit breaker. Induction stoves and cooktops need a dedicated 240 volt circuit on a 30 to 40 amp circuit breaker. Operating a 4-burner cooktop at full power requires more than 30 amps. In addition to the higher initial cost is the expense of induction-compatible cookware. If you cook with uncoated magnetic stainless steel cookware, you're ready for induction. If your cookware is non-stick aluminum, you must replace it. Solid aluminum cookware is not induction compatible. Unlike gas and radiant electric that works with all cookware materials, induction requires magnetic iron or steel cookware. If a magnet sticks to the bottom, the cookware should be compatible. Some cookware are labeled induction compatible on the bottom or box. And you do not have to give up nonstick cookware to cook with induction. Today, you have several choices for nonstick induction cookware. Some are non-stick aluminum with a magnetic steel disc, while others are non-stick aluminum with a magnetic steel inner layer. There are even non-stick, induction-compatible steel and aluminum woks. Some cookware produces a buzzing sound. It's normal and does not affect cooking. Induction stove and cooktop cooling fans are nearly inaudible compared to portable induction cooktops. A common myth is that cookware bottoms must be perfectly flat to work with glass-top stoves. It doesn't help that instructions do not define what they mean by flat. Does flat mean within 5/1000ths of an inch, 1/100th of an inch, or 2/100th of an inch? Some people interpret flat to mean cannot see light under a straight edge. A low gas flame heats the air underneath the cookware. The same for radiant electric for cookware that is not perfectly flat. Induction coils produce eddy currents that heat magnetic steel. My cooktop manual does not even mention flatness. Induction stoves shut down if compatible cookware is not detected. Like gas and radiant electric, matching burner size to cookware size boils water faster and cooks food faster. There are negative reviews about induction burners being too small for their cookware. No consumer stove has 14 to 20-inch diameter burners. My 12-inch induction skillet has a 10.5-inch bottom. I can cook using the 11-inch, 9-inch, and 6-inch elements. The larger elements will heat foods and water faster. I've used my 8-inch pressure cooker with the 6-inch burner. It takes less time reaching full pressure than using high heat on my gas cooktop. I've also used the 6-inch burner with my 11-inch griddle. There is a learning curve converting from gas to induction. Another myth about induction cooking is that it only heats the cookware, not the surface. It's true, induction coils do not heat the glass, but heat from cookware does. The glass surface temperature increases with power level and cooking time. Because the glass can appear to be cool, all induction cooktops have high temperature indicators to prevent burns. Another potential health risk is electromagnetic interference, disrupting a cardiac pacemaker. If you wear a pacemaker, discuss EMI with your doctor. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.